When a current employee or someone you just fired goes rogue and starts posting things online on social media and starts acting in a very suspicious and threatening way, what can be done? Tim Santoni here with Santoni Investigations. Today I want to talk a little bit about what employers can do when they detect that a current employee, former employee, or someone who's just been terminated is potentially a threat to their business, their people, and their premises. We recently had a case where the client terminated an employee and then found out shortly thereafter that the subject had been posting things online, defaming the company, defaming employees in the HR department and other people they've worked with. Immediately, the general counsel reached out to our office and we recommended the following. First, we want to fully identify who they are, where they live, and we want to get a profile on them from a criminal perspective. We want to look for restraining orders, any acts of violence. We want to determine if they have a valid driver's license and any vehicles. We want to feed that information back to the employer so that a security guard on site, if they don't have one, you want to get one in place, have information on the description, photo, vehicle, potential behaviors. We also advise the client to protect their premises by locking things up. But first, you want to assess that risk level and find out if in fact the person that is behaving erratically is in fact a threat to your premises. These are a couple suggestions on what you can do when these things happen. These all can be done discreetly, quickly, in less than a few hours, and to give peace of mind to you and to your business, as well as your employees. If you have any questions about how to deal with employees gone rogue, either current employees or terminated employees, feel free to comment down below. Thank you.